A column profile controls what fields are visible on a document listing. Since there are multiple ways to get to a document listing, there are multiple ways to control which column profile is used. Column profiles can be set when clicking on a folder in the folder tree on the left-hand side, or a column profile can be set when running a search. And finally, column profiles can be set when launching a batch in Review. First, we'll show you how to update the profile when selecting a folder. On the menu tree, go to one of the main features that have the three-dot action menus available. It can be Case Documents or ESI, or Pre-Production, or Production. Click on the three-dot actions menu and click Enable Edit Mode. Once you are in edit mode, you can go to any top-level folder and update the profile by selecting Set Column Profile. A window will pop up that shows the current profile you are using, and you can use the drop-down menu to select a new profile. There are options below the profile name that allows you to do this update for all subfolders, and it has options in case you want to make the profile update for other users as well. There are icons that give you access to modify permissions, export or import profiles from other cases, to rename the profile or to delete the profile. The columns that are currently assigned to the existing profile are shown in the white box on the bottom. If you want to update the columns, select the gear icon next to the profile name. From the Modify Column Profile window, you can add or remove fields by either double-clicking the name or use the arrow button to move it to the displayed columns side. Once the fields are on the right-hand side in the displayed columns group, you can reorder the fields by dropping the names to the right. On the bottom of the window, you can select a default sort. On the Preferences tab, you can also set the viewer hierarchy. This feature allows you to designate a native viewer for one view and the image viewer in another view. For example, ESI documents may be best to default to the native viewer since images may not have been created yet. And when you are viewing production documents, you can set the folder to default to the image viewer to make sure you can see endorsements. Once you make a change in this window, you can choose to save, which will overwrite the existing profile, or choose Save As, which will create a new profile. From the Search Builder page, there is a drop-down to choose which column profile to use, and the same gear icon is available in case you need to make updates from the search page. Finally, if you go to the Review feature and click on Batches, you'll see the available review groups on the left-hand side. Click the gear icon to the left of the review group name to access the column profile options.